Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a first impressions video using Dose of Colors for the first time. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Before we get into the video, I just want to apologize ahead of time for the audio. I upgraded to an iPhone 8 Plus and I completely forgot that the headphone jack is totally different from the traditional headphone jack, which is what my microphone is connected to. So I'm just going to have to talk a little bit louder for this video and hopefully find a microphone later on down the line. But yeah, iPhone 6 Plus problems. So I am excited because I got my package literally today. Like I met the mailman at the door. They just sent some cards describing or showing off the product, and the first thing is the Sassy Siennas palette. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful copper coated palette, and it has all 5 colors named on the back. So we have Stay Sassy, Brassy, Foxy, Bossy, and Oh So Sassy to go along with the theme. And when you open it up, it has the beautiful 5 shades here, and then it comes with a little small brush and a really convenient mirror. So I'm gonna freestyle obviously because I just got this palette today and I don't really know what I want to do off top. I do know I love a good transition shade, and I've been eyeing this one, so this will definitely be my transition. This is the shade Brassy, so I'm going to take this color and I'm going to put it back and forth into my crease. I love a good warm transition shade, and it is extremely pigmented, so I didn't even have to worry about tapping into the product that much. So really quick, the plan was to talk through this entire video, but I actually had some family come over in the living room and it was just too much noise. So it's just going to be a voiceover from here on out. Once again, I am so sorry, but please enjoy the rest of the video. So the next shade that I took was the shade Bossy, which is this really beautiful like peachy pink shade, and I just took a flat brush and applied it all over the lid. Now after playing with this color, I realized that I did have to go back and forth and like really pat over it. You can't really swipe with this color because it tends to blend out a little bit sheer, so I just patted it back and forth until I got the look that I wanted. Next, I took this chocolate brown shade called Stay Sassy, and using a fluffy blending brush, I just put that in the outer corner of my lid just to really help deepen up the crease. And then I ended up taking a pencil brush to smoke out my lash line as well. Next, I'm going to apply my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in black and my Cocoa Lashes in Dashin', and I'm going to go ahead and prepare my eyes for my lashes, put on a few coats of mascara, and pop on these lashes. I used the lash tweezers, but then I ended up using my hands because it's just a lot easier. And then of course I put some on my bottom lashes as well, just to really open up the look of my eyes. So next I'm taking the lightest pink shade, which is called Stay Sassy, and I just pop that in my inner corners. No glitter or shimmery inner corner highlight today. I just wanted to keep the eyes really matte, and I really like the way that it turned out. So now for the highlighter, I'm using the Supreme Glow highlighter in the color Gold is the New Black, and this swatch does not do it any justice. I barely tapped into it and it was so beautiful and so golden. I was just so taken back by how beautiful this highlighter is. This will definitely be one of my go-to highlighters for here on out. It's also a really soft and smooth highlighter, and it blends into the skin instead of sitting right on top of it, which is another thing that I really like about it. You can kind of feel the difference, and it's just really beautiful. And of course, you know I go crazy with highlighter, So I actually ended up taking my Charlotte Russe priming spray and using that to just kind of make my skin a lot more dewier, and it worked out pretty good. I actually liked the way that it looked, and it really made my highlighter pop even more. I actually forgot to show it on camera, but I used my usual lip liner, which is Earth Tone by NYX, just to line and shape up my lips. So I actually got two of the satin lipsticks from Dose of Colors as well. This first shade is the color Cinnamon Swirl, and this next shade is the color Toast. And I actually ended up taking the darker pink shade called Cinnamon Swirl and applied that to my lips. So this completes the look. Overall, I love the products and I will list them down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!